I've got a dumbbell here by Bowflex. Let's have a look. Opening it up, you've got your usual manuals, safety instructions, all that good stuff. Some more paperwork for you, and inside we've got the item. Let me get out of this packaging, we'll go through it. This thing's huge. So I've got the dumbbell out now. Once it does arrive, it is actually fastened together with a strap. And to undo the strap, it does come with a provided Allen key that you need to use to undo the strap, which is quite good because it means that during shipping it's not going to come loose, it's not going to rattle about, it's not going to break, and because they are extremely heavy. Once that's unscrewed, make sure you don't lose it. Once you've unscrewed it, you just unhook it, and there comes the strap, and now the actual weight is set free. So what you can do is just set the weight on each side with the little dials. I'm going to set it to the lowest just to see, and then out it comes. That's the lowest weight you can do, and once you dial in that on the sides, you just remove it from the slot, and it comes at the desired weight. So that's level 2. Let's pump 1 up to 3, 1 up to 3, and it's added the weight on each end. So you can just keep going through until it gets to your desired weight. Let's get a bit risky with it. Let's go for the 8 before I break my arm. Oh, there we go. That's... Even an 8's too much for me. Oh, I think I'll go back down to like a 4. Oh, look at that. So, perfect for an at-home gym. You don't need to worry about having multiple dumbbells. You've just got the one that you can change depending on how heavy you want it today. So, like me, you can rock it right down to say a 3 and crack on with your workout. This thing's super useful. Oh, it saves so much room. You wouldn't have to worry about like multiple dumbbells, anything like that. It's great, just dial in what you want and off you go.